Recession 2025. Is there a recession coming down our way? Something wicked this way comes. And is it really wicked? I've talked about recessions over the years because, again, most people don't understand what a recession even is, quite frankly. What the technical term is for recession is 2 quarters of negative economic growth in a row. Now, we had that a couple of years ago, and for whatever reason it may be, the high priests at the National Bureau of Economic Research said, no, nothing to see here. It's okay. Anyway, neither here nor there. They're the ones that actually make that call. I, for one, I think when all is said and done, we're going to be able to look back over the past several years when we actually get some more honest economic numbers. And I think we've been, could have been in and out of a recession on several occasions. I don't buy into a lot of what we're being told, not to mention the fact that when so much of our GDP is based upon government borrowing and spending, that's not real to me. Okay, that's a fugazi economy. What does that mean going forward now that Donald Trump is making a great attempt to cut government down to size, to reduce all sorts of nonsensical government spending? Again, you're getting the pearl clutch liberals out there warning, oh my God, this could cause a recession. So, I mean, honestly, I could care less. You know, sometimes in life, you have to take a couple steps backwards to take many steps forwards. I have described recessions like the lymphatic system of the human body. Recessions are times when you get out all of the inefficiencies, all of the gunk, economic pus that's out there, all the waste, all the frauds, okay? Again, the tide goes out in a recession, you see all the companies that have been swimming naked, and they get eliminated, and you can move on for that. I want to remind everybody, what happened at the early stages of the Reagan presidency. They had a pretty deep recession, but things took off. How Donald Trump is going to handle this 2025 recession, which I think is a possibility. Now, again, I want to let me know, change the way I'm doing anything, change the way we're managing our clients' money. We're always prepared for a recession, which you're supposed to be. Anyway, neither here nor there. He gets his tax cuts into place. We can reduce regulation, all of those things. You're going to get a real fast turnaround, and you're going to see a major takeoff from there. And again, there's a lot that we have to deal with right now. Again, I'm not sure what to make heads or tails out of Republicans in Congress. They're kind of nodding along right now. But again, Donald Trump is going after many of their sacred cows and spending programs. Oh yeah, they're into this whole U.S. aid thing too. We've explained that. The ability for Trump to get and push his agenda forward, deregulations, tax cuts. I don't like what I'm hearing now. The fact that with the tax cuts, they want to make them they expire. I don't like that. I'd rather see government actually be honest rather than tax cuts expiring. I'd rather them saying, okay, we're going to raise your taxes and be honest. That's kind of a built-in that Washington, D.C. puts in. But again, a recession, not to worry. Again, 2 quarters of negative economic growth, no big deal. And quite frankly, I think we're going to see adjustments to the past where we probably were in one. It's what we do during that recession and over the next couple of months that's going to take us past it and through. And I want to remind everybody as well, anticipating and guessing recessions and trying to trade them, not a good idea. Not a good idea at all. You got to do things the Markowski way, where you're dollar cost averaging every single month, not trying to get into the market and try to get out of the market. Because believe it or not, during recessions, stock markets tend to do very well because they anticipate coming out of the recession. WatchDog on wallstreet.com.